Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo Y100 5G smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can change wallpaper in your phone Vivo Y100 5G. What you have to do is just go to the settings. First go to the settings here. Then go to lock screen and wallpaper. Lock screen and wallpaper here. Okay. Click it. And here you have to choose this wallpaper option, and you will see static wallpapers. These are only system wallpapers, default wallpapers. You can choose from the list of wallpapers available here. Okay, you can also choose live wallpaper. Now there is only one live wallpaper. Okay, first I select static wallpaper. Okay, as of now this first wallpaper is appearing. That is this first wallpaper is set. If you want to change to other wallpaper, yes, you can select and then click on apply. Okay, and here it will ask you to set as lock screen or home screen or both. So first I set to lock screen. See here, and yes, it is set. Then again I go to the settings and go to lock screen and wallpaper, and here I select wallpaper, and I select another one, this one, and I click on apply, and I click on set home screen. Now home screen wallpaper has been changed to what I was selected. Again I go to the settings, and then go to lock screen and wallpaper, and then I click on wallpaper here, and I select another one, this one, and I click on apply. Before that also you can see the preview. Okay, preview is like this. Okay, and if you click on apply, it will ask whether to set lock screen or home screen or both. This time I select third option, set both. So this wallpaper will be applied on both home screen and lock screen. See the changes now. See the changes. It has been changed. If you want to set your photo as a wallpaper, for example, if you are taking a photo in a natural environment, or if you are taking some fantastic selfie or whatever may be, if you want to apply that photo, that attractive, that most liked photo as a wallpaper, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is, first you have to keep the photo in your local gallery, capturing through your phone camera, or if you have captured from any other devices, just transfer that photo to your phone, and that will be visible here, and you can set as wallpaper, of course. Yes, just what you have to do is the same method. Just go to the settings first, and then go to lock screen and wallpaper, then go to wallpaper option, and here you will see one option, local images. Just click it, and it will load a list of images that you have in your phone. Here I select this one. This is the photo that I have captured through camera of this phone Y500. Yes, select the photo and click on the tick mark. Yes, it is now applied. See changes. Yes, it is applied in the home screen too. So in this way you can easily set your wallpaper as you can set your wallpaper from your local gallery. You can set your photo as a wallpaper. Okay, suppose if you want to download some different wallpaper from internet, yes, that can also be done. What you have to do is just go to the settings of a phone here, and then go to lock screen and wallpaper, and go to wallpaper, and here you have to use download more, and here list of wallpapers will be showing. Just select any one. So here I select this one. Okay, click on OK, and click on preview. Yes, this is this one. Okay, and go back. Just go back and click on, but it's not free. Okay, you have to purchase. Okay, so it cost 45 rupees. Go back and see if there is any free wallpaper. As of now it's no, I think. No, there's no free wallpaper downloadable from internet. But if you don't bother about some few money, and just you can purchase and enjoy more attractive wallpaper from internet. Okay, this is the way you can do it, and you can follow it. Yes. So in this way, you can easily set any wallpaper for your phone. If you want to suppose set back to default wallpaper, suppose if you are set on wallpaper, and later if you decide to revert back to default wallpaper, yes, you can do it. Again, go to the same settings and go to the wallpaper and just go to the static wallpapers, and here select anyone. So these are all the default. Okay, so here I would like to set this wallpaper, and click on apply, and I click on set on both. Yes. So in this way you can easily set any wallpaper, whether it is a static wallpaper from your phone itself, or if you have captured some beautiful photos, and that can also be set as wallpaper, or you can download even more from internet, but you should aware that it's not free. Okay, that's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.